Wow.
There we go. The bread.
Thank
Enjoy.
you. Thank you.
Lucky das durchgehen.
Ready? Oh yeah, thank you. Good piece. And the bread.
I think this one is the top.
Chicken, pasta, fruit, and coffee.
I didn't order anything specific.
Yeah.
I just said I would like to order breakfast. This is just what they eat.
All right, level 2 is Moroccan crepes and honey with butter. And then we got some juice and some pastries and some bread. Like, that's next level. And
Oh my god, the juice is from the trees.
yogurt. But this juice, they got them right from the oranges above us.
Because I
Wow.
recognize that it's
Fresh
the healthy
squeezed is the
one.
best. And an omelet. Doesn't get any better than this. It's a little forest and valley. Miriam, grab that stool for a second. It's Miriam-sized stool. Sit.
Do you think it'll even, like, fit me?
Yeah, you got it.
Oh, it's actually not uncomfortable. It's actually not that bad.
I thought you were gonna get a tattoo with a needle.
That's all, yes, like that.
Yeah. Aw, it's a flower.
Cute.
Yeah, I hope you like these.
Yeah. Do you have clean?
It's pretty.
Yeah, it's a cool picture. I took my nails off.
Andy. You good, babe? Woo! Oh my goodness. You got this. Woo! Inside. Wave.
The guy there
Yeah.
raise his hand.
Yeah.
That means you sure be put your hand on back. No, don't grab it and just slide it gently like this. But if he raises his hand, if he doesn't raise, you need it.
Only if he puts his hand up.
Like I said, you are too light. So if you get stuck, in this case, you should be crawled away in front, then the behind, you turn around and go backward over there.
Yeah. You turn around and go hand over hand.
Okay.
Now put your hand here.
Okay.
Legs up.
Legs up. Go! Got him? Okay.
This is amazing. This actually kind of reminds me of Turkey. Have a dip. yeah, remember the Red Valley? This when you come down before you leave for the day. And I was like, okay, because there's only like 6 rooms, so I'm like, okay, they made enough breakfast for everyone they're expecting us. So, but that was like amazing. That was the best breakfast I've ever had. It was like a breakfast feast.
Give her a good push.
How is it? It's great? Do you feel scared? Go, 1, 2, 3. Say something.
Miriam, look what we're over.
I know. If you fall, there's no surviving that.
Well, you don't fall. That's the whole point, is that you have the clipped in.
Yeah. I can't. Good thing we didn't take a really good look before we started.
I thought it was really fun. I'll do it again. I went so fast.
That was so much fun though. That really was. Except the part where I got stuck.
What do you think of these appetizers?
They're so good. We ate half the salads before we could even film.
Tell us what we got.
This is kafta tangine, and this is mixed shish kebab.
is it called?
Spider corn.
That's what you want?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you think of the breakfast salad?
That little salad is like my favorite salad with the avocado. It's like what I make at home.
Definitely different than the Medina malls. They got penguins.
No, I like the purple one.
So this is a luxury palace mall. Where's that, Vivian?
The mosque and the entrance to Medina.
It's like the Las Vegas version of the Medina market.
Yeah.
What's this, Miriam?
There's an ice skating rink in the mall.
Is it good ice?
No.
How do you know?
Just look at it. It looks like it hasn't been Zamboni'd in a long time.
Look at this place. You don't play air hockey? And you're annoying.
Okay.
They have tagine even at the mall kids play area. I got it everywhere. Go stand next to Optimus Prime. I don't know if that's officially licensed, but I think it's really cool. Optimus Prime. I like how it's called a cave. This is where they keep the booze. Yeah. Huh. Look, Budweiser. Fancy. World Cup Bud. Okay. Atlas Mountain Beer, 14% alcohol. Lovely day. How much is that?
$1.
Hey Miriam,
Yeah.
make a wish. Make a sandwich. Reminds me of He-Man Castle Grayskull.
I don't know what that is.
What song was that?
That was just Jingle